Yo, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you guys how you can be able to change the username of an account on your Windows 10, Windows 11. So the first thing you have to do right now is to go ahead and come over to the search bar here. Go to your control panel. There are actually two ways to do this. So once you're in your control panel, just gonna drag this over here. So once you're in your control panel, you have to go over to here that says change account type. Okay, now so we are in our account here. I actually have two accounts here. I'm just gonna go ahead and make use of this one, which is a local account. I'm gonna click on that, and from here it says change the account name. I'm just gonna go ahead now and just click on this. So from here it's gonna show you this window here where you can be able to just input the new name that you want to use and just click on change name. So this is the first way you can do this. If this doesn't work for you, then let's go ahead to the second method. So for the second method, all you have to do is to come over to this window icon here, right click, and then you have to go over to here that says run, and you have to run this. You have to input this NETPLWIZ. Once you input this, you're just gonna hit OK. Once you do that, it's gonna bring you over to this part here, and you have to just go ahead and click on advanced. And once you come over to here that says advanced, you just have to click on advanced user management. You click on advanced, and once you're here, you have to click on here that says user. I'm just gonna okay, you're just gonna go ahead and click on users, and from here you can see I have some users here. I'm just gonna expand this to the left. So from here you can just go ahead and make sure you can change the rename. Actually, I'm just gonna click this one now, and from here I'm just gonna click on more options. Okay, and go down here, you can see here it says rename. So once you rename, it's just going to highlight this whole text here for you, and you have to just change the name to whatsoever name you want. And once you're done, you just go ahead and hit your enter. Okay, after you've done that, and you're going to come over here, you can click on this one. It's going to actually like have a kind of a glitch around this part here. So all you need to do is just go ahead and restart your computer, and after you restart your computer, you can see that everything is gonna be all good. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, go ahead, drop a like and drop a comment in the comment section, and also support the channel by subscribing, turning on the bell notification. All right guys, see you guys in the next one, and peace out.